Coach, we go back to playing, and before playing, we are going to travel a lot. So, is it something that you are considering right now for preparing the guys, and of course having to deal with this trip?
Yeah, definitely. It's something that we've thought about, and the players and us as a coaching group have discussed. It's going to be a difficult trip. They're a strong side at home, so yeah, physically and mentally we have to get off that bus and put in a performance. So certainly there'll be no excuses from our end. Pesaro have to do it every second weekend. So yeah, for us it's about just getting our preparation right, being smart about how we manage our bodies, I guess, before and after the game.
Again, it's a game against a team that really needs to score points for now and to set their championship right, of course. So what kind of match do you expect?
I think they're going to come with a lot of physicality, and they'll come pretty bring a lot of that sort of intent around the tackle and when they carry. I think the forwards are showing that they're strong as well. So certainly looking for Pesaro to bring a lot of physicality to start the game in particular.
How are you working in this weeks without three guys that we are used to see on the field? So they are
good. It's fine. The boys are. It's a normal week for us. Unfortunately, we've got some boys coming back from injury, which is helping lessen the absence of those boys. Boys are ticking along, and our preparation is per normal at this stage.
Mentally more than physically, where do you think the team is right now in the championship?
I think we're in a pretty good spot. I think we know there's a long way to go, but we feel that we've approached each game and we've been able to deliver when we needed to in those critical moments. So we'll certainly be looking to improve parts of our game. We've got a couple of areas that we want to improve on this week against Pesaro. And then we've got another 3 big games coming up afterwards, so we're conscious of that.